Mm-hmm. This is something. And she a vampire to you already. Yeah, girl. Even better. I'll make it friends. I'm dropping her 60%. Make a white cake. Dance machine. Yeah, girl. That's a love. Party girl. Well, you're in the right world. Yeah, man, you can have vampire baby with she cause she a vampire already. Good. Be a vampire picnic. Alright, where them gone? Where them gone? How is she gone? She gone up top. Where's she gone? She gone too far now. She gone too far now. Alright, well gone people. Still lay us up on the Sims. Double tap up your screen. She'll bake one cake. Celebrate with her Earth Strong. Yeah man. Add the candle them. Add the candle them. Make a piece together. The fuck? I'll put it in there. Make a wish that if you know. Yeah, man. Make a wish. Blow out the candle. Girl turn big woman now. Alright, make we pick one of them here. Genius. Smart as fuck. She love the outdoors, so about that. Yeah, man. She run government. I'm a run government. Moga, honorable. You know what I mean? Moga, honorable. Why this still there now? Where front door there? Where front door there? You turn big woman, no. You turn big woman, no. I want to play one card game and you want to listen to one music. Alright, we can go upstairs. Can go upstairs. Alright, yeah, so it no matter. But I'm not interested in that type, girl. But yet you have feelings for me. Alright, we're going to change that. Know yourself. We'll sort out all of that. We'll sort out everything. Ask if you're single. You know nobody. And you talk about saying you don't want me. Girl. But you come join me. You come live in my house. You're my girl. She go like say she don't want to come live with me. She not refuse. You not refuse to come live in that mansion here, girl. Go ahead. You see how you come move quick. You and your boot them. Girl, top going like say you don't love me. You don't want me. Now go upstairs, go lay down. Come on, look fat for you. I'm not fat for you, girl. But you don't love me. Yeah, well, I know say you love me. But you know, blood clot love me. I want a box. I'm gonna drink that, man. I'm gonna make you go upstairs, go lay down. I'm gonna lay down. She can't go lay down too. What you do? You have dead flower, rose. Alright. She a criminal. The girl is a criminal. The girl is a criminal. What kind of skills you have to be a criminal? You can't only do them 2 years. You might as well go into farming. You talk about say. You want to turn criminal. Alright. And where is prime or minor? Okay. And you'll have one person. Alright, here what we are do. What do this? I'll go to full edit mode. I'll give your mother load as well. I'll give her some money. Boost up a thing. You want $500,000. Alright, bam. I could go into yeah man, dance machine. You're criminal. Okay. Okay. But you love. You're risky. You're criminal and you're risky, girl. Lavish. Big up yourself. Who was there near? Money. Oh, you just come back. How would this diva? You know, sister, me go get girl fi Cameron. That her name, Cameron. Me go get girl fi her, you know, she meet her up at the hill, you know, when she did that. See her new girl here. Her name Shirley. So me go get her one new girl. And I go change up Shirley a little bit. Cause Shirley I go and like say she a bossy girl. And true she a bossy girl. I go make she walk like say she a bossy girl. Yeah man, she a bossy girl. But she a go and like say she and Cameron can be. You know, she a go and like say she no love Cameron. I'm gonna like how she a do Cameron, you know. So me gonna change up every pussy clat thing. Alright? Me gonna make you engage to Cameron. And then me go come over here so too. I'm gonna change up all of this. Talk about say you love man. You don't love man no more. Beer woman you love. Ugly woman you love. Right? Ugly girl you love. And I'm gonna leave all of this because I know say you're bad mind too. So I'm gonna make sure you can't do that. So all when Cameron I give you bun, you can't, you know, you can't feel no way. Alright, what else I can do about you? Like we going up to yeah man get mama have body pan her. Watch her body fat. Watch her bumper on her back. Manners. Yes, mama. I'll give you a little bit more muscle on your body though. I like that outfit you have on. Still. I don't know if I like that formality or outer wear. We're gonna win the suit them. I don't like how you do this. Short dress, long frock. I could put on a long frock. Take off your accessories then. Yeah, girl, can be a hot girl. Quick something lavish. Me I tell you. Quick and fast. The girl move quick, you fuck. Quick, you fuck. I'm not even gonna lie to you, girl. The girl move quick, you fuck. Now change up on boots here. Yeah, man. Change up your boots, then. I don't know what kind of granny something you have on. Girl, you have to take off all of that. I don't know what kind of granny something you have on. Yeah, put on something like this. Yeah, sexy and them weird. Yeah. Cause that Cameron love. Sexiness. If you want to be bad girl, bad bitch, wicked girl. Cause I comment like say you're a wicked girl. Cause you say you're a thief. What the fuck this shit have on? What the pussy clock this? And this is how you ask me now? No. I don't like it. I don't take off them. I don't take off this off for your photo. Watch goody. I don't like how you wear the same long frock, you know, girl. Yeah, you deal with that. Alright, must can't warm up yourself now. Yeah, girl. I change up your boots then. Yeah. Alright, Shirley. This is say you love Cameron now. And you live up your side in the winter in the cold place. But can't have you live up in a pussy clock cold place and a freeze. So you have to go put on clothes, girl. See if I can find you one set. One pants set. One long sleeve, I need one long sleeve. I make you look, you go and like say a Texas you come from. That may I say, you go and like say a Texas your pussy clock come from. So like how you go and like say a Texas you come from. I put on the boot them fire. Put on the boot them fire. Boom watch about them. Watch about them. Watch about them. Boot them bad. Yeah girl. You can't take off the dark as them. Because I want you to take off the dark as them. Take off the dark as them. What? Bumbo cloth? The girl have pretty eye. Watch ya. Pretty eye. Yeah, girl. Be a pretty eye girl. Cameron love. You give her a dark farm too. Yeah, girl. You fall in love. I tell you, lavish. Alright, Cameron, we have to change up how you look now. I know say you're on bald head status, but we have to put a little bit of hair on your head. I give you one low haircut. I give you one top up, yeah man. One top up top. What the fuck is my head? It's a winter clothes. Alright. More your face, put on something for you. I'm in a bossy girl now. I'm in a bossy blood clot girl. No, I'm gonna like that. Yes, Cameron, watch them. Prince and Gyan. I'm gonna give her a little bit more eyeliner. Yes, go there. I want to try that black lip on her. Oh, perfect. Yeah, girl, you're sexy. You don't need no more. Alright, so you're where we're going to do, Cameron. I'll put a little bit more muscle on you. And I need you to come out of the blood clot cold. Because you live in a one cool place, girl. So I'll put on some pants on you. Whoa, I like the pants here. Yeah. Can't keep on the same boat, but we'll change the color. Put on them there. Yeah, better. I need something up top. No need to change the brassiere. Everybody wear the same brassiere. I can't take it. I can't take it. I don't want it. We'll put on that one here. Yeah, we'll put on that one here. Let's see what she have on our bottom. Under yeah, that can go on. No, man, you do that one. Yeah. That can go on. Let's see the pants time Mama wants again. Alright, bad. Alright, come now. Put on one top. You are gonna need one long sleeve. Cause cold, well cold outside. You don't have no wake option. Stick to the black and done. Stick to the black and done. Alright, girl. Alright, so this is Cameron. Cameron, turn up straight. Alright. She's a girl. She knows that she's a girl. She'll walk with, you know, because she's a boss. You know what I mean? She get girl pregnant. She breed girl. You know what I mean? Be a woman. She say, woman she love. And Cameron not depend no bad mindness, you know. She not depend the jealousy. Yeah, baby? What? Macron. Alright. And make sure, yeah man, when you engage. Alright. Lock up that. Not problem. I don't want to hear nothing, man. Alright, people, man, I forgot. Thank you to everybody tuning in for so long. It was a great Sims game. Lavish, big up yourself. Me go save this now. And me I forgot on the road. Come on, go run, go out that shop here before the place close. So let me run, go out that shop here. Peoplers. Alright, while that's safe, I'm moving the phone. So big up to everybody. Later, have a good evening. Lavish, big up yourself, big up to everybody watch.